This is our Optimum S275 NV bandsaw. It's 230 volt single phase and has variable speed on the motor. It's also available in 400 volt 3-phase with a 2-speed motor. So features on this bandsaw, we have an inch blade which is good for accurate cuts. We have hydraulic ram for controlling the downfeed, which has a ball valve and a valve for regulating the downfeed for good smooth cutting. Blade tension is shown on a pressure clock here, so as you always have the proper tension on the blade. This model has a swivel head for accurate cutting of angles, which goes up to 60 degrees. So it's quick and easy to set up and accurate for cutting your angles. Safety features, you have your emergency stop here. The rear cover has a safety switch which does not allow the saw to be operated when the cover is off or even loose. Simple, straightforward panel, start and stop, emergency stop, coolant switch, and you have your variable speed pot here that controls the speed of the blade. Coolant pump and tank integrated into the base. Very important for prolonging the life of your blade. You have a quick release vise here and a material stop, which makes it very handy and quick for moving on your material. We'll just start the blade there now. So you can see here we have our variable speed pot which controls the blade speed. The ram then is controlled with your 2 valves. You have your coolant here. We have a blade brush in here which helps keep the swarf cleared from the blade so that it doesn't carry it around through the saw bow. These saws have always been a bestseller for Millennium machinery. Maximum cutting sizes on this model are up to 245 wide and up to 180 mil high at a straight cut or 0 degrees. So for this and other equipment available, check out millenniummachinery.ie.